clean. I did it for me, admittedly. I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. Help see me through, and don't even realize what you did. Believe me, I've been through the ringer, but they can do little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye. I feel like the king of my world. Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead. No more beef flingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this root like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single finger on it, cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the core, put up on a pause and lift the whole liquor counter up. I'm raising the bar. I shoot for the moon, but I'm too busy gazing at stars. I feel amazing and I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand.